Yeah, yeah, it's the D-O-double-G Snoop Dogg in the building. We talking about sheep, sustainability, baby. Let's get it. Yeah, we got a project called Sustaining Sheep, turning science into practice, man, that's deep. Low impact genes, we breeding them tight, reducing emissions, keeping farming right. Portable chambers, we measuring that gas methane from the flock. Yeah, we got the class, align the globe, standardize the flow. Genetic improvement, that's how we grow. Sustain sheep, we changing the game. Low emissions, high fame, that's the aim. Greenhouse gases, we cutting them low. Farmers and policy, they're ready to know. Efficiency high, productivity bang. Less methane, that's the new slang. Farmers got tools, policymakers too, to measure that CH4, know what to do. Genetic merit in the breeding game. Sheep farms worldwide, never the same. Support policies, adoption on blast. Sheep industry growing fast, fast, fast. Sustain sheep, we changing the game. Low emissions, high fame, that's the aim. Greenhouse gases, we cutting them low. Farmers and policy, they're ready to know. Review the science, close the gaps. Genetic control, we laying the maps. Predicting feed intake, cutting that gas. Breeding for the future, moving so fast. Policies forecast, cost-effective moves. Bringing low methane, sheep, we got the grooves. Knowledge transfer, the word we spread. Stakeholders know the game, stay ahead. So yo, sustain sheep's the way to be. Keep it clean, keep it green, naturally. Global effort, making strides real steep. We rockin' sustainability, sustain sheep. Efficiency high, productivity bang. Less methane, that's the new slang. Farmers got tools, policymakers too, to measure that CH4, know what to do. But what to do? Genetic merit in the breeding game. Sheep farms worldwide, never the same. Support policies, adoption on blast. Sheep industry growing fast, fast.